The Green Bay Blizzard are looking for new ownership. 4 of the 5 members of the team's group have decided to move on. That's according to Art Clarkson, the remaining owner. If the organization cannot secure new ownership by September 1, they will be forced to suspend operations.
I think that's a last resort. I mean, if I can't, first of all, there's other people who might want to step up who might want to buy the franchise, not just me. I'm trying to put together a group that will keep the franchise going. We have a great relationship with PMI, and we have a great relationship in the community.